Good afternoon. I'm covering the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 had a major breakout. We are at all-time super highs, and once again, I'm going to explain the bull and the bear. We have now had half of the year is starting for 2014. We broke out from that bear last year. We are entering the 18-month breakout on a monthly chart on the S&P 500, 18-month cycle. Now, when we look at the longer term cycles and whatnot, which we have always covered here, the 60-month expansion, the great run in the S&P, 10 sectors at all-time highs, bull is definitely back. Now, for my friends, this was a 13. This was the lows. I'm just going to draw a trend line there so that you can see it very clearly. Now, this is the depth of the bull. That's the long depth. Now, listen. I think people that have been on the sideline have missed the rally. It's time that you come back and get involved in the market. It's in your favor. The bull is definitely in control. Yes, there will be corrections. We did hit a bottom right here, but then we came roaring back in this monthly area. It's in an ascending triangle breakout. We hit all-time highs on the S&P. I will give you the ranges on the month so far. When we opened at 1923, we have to realize that 1915 was the low, and today's high in the S&P is 1941 at record highs. Now, having said that, the overbought process, the bull has to be very concerned right now. And yes, that bull is, look at the bear, look at, there has to be bears in order for bulls to go higher. Now, we prefer that the bear get in control so that we can get another buying opportunity. A good 10% pullback would bring all of that money on the sideline. It would bring this money back into the market. Now, I'm going to do the following right here. We are 97.87% overbought. That is about as overbought as you can get. I have never seen 98, but guess what? It's going to probably be my first time. Now, I'm going to caution the bull. You have to be concerned because we are on the 5th day of June. We're starting the 6th month. So far, when we got up here, we ripped, but we made those lows down here. The bull has to be concerned because if you're not, you're going to get caught off guard. And when this market does reverse from these over extreme 52-week high levels, and that's what they are, and we broke this high right here today, the ECB had a lot to do with it. The worldwide economic recovery is a big part of today's move. We took out the highs of this triangle. It was ascending right here, and this was a resistance, and we're above it. Now, having said that, once again, we're extremely overbought. And not only that, the bear was in control, and then the bull came roaring back. This is an 18-month time horizon. From the beginning of 2013 in January to current 2014 June 5th of 2014, the bull has to be extremely concerned. Remember, the bear will be coming back into the market, and you have to have the bear winning too so that you can make higher highs like you did today. So what I'm saying is everybody, for the majority, is on the sideline wanting a pullback, and they've been waiting. The people that missed a pullback here and the people that missed a pullback here, why did they miss a pullback at each one of these lows? Was because of the uncertainty. That was what it was. And then there was a lot of concern about markets, and that's how that movement happened. We are extremely overbought. Bull, please be careful. Now, here we are on the calendar daily bull. Okay, now the thing that we liked about it was in January we said we were going to come down. Why? At this point in time, we were overbought from the 2013 bull. We were. And because we were overbought, we had to have a nice sized pullback. And we did. I will show you the following. The major top in January had a big pullback. And the money that was ready to get in the market had stepped in. We rallied up and we made a high from this point on up. And we broke that resistance level here now. And this is a daily chart. Then, check it out. We rallied up and the market gave it back. There was a lot of uncertainty. And the S&P, as it is, had major tops that would reversal all the time. But nonetheless, here's the thing that I want to point out. I want to point out on this daily level from this low to that low, that bull was burning. And that bull did make higher highs. You have to have bears to get higher. So the bear has to have their share, as they did. And here, in every area that we were overbought, we pulled back, but we were ascending right up here. And we broke out. 1, 2, I'm going to show it to you quickly. Right here. And here's where it is. So I'm going to take this point of it right here. This is where we broke these resistance levels. We had a breakout right here, MMT, and here's where we were, right there. This is right here, that major area where we consolidated. We had the big breakout based on the economic news that the rest of the world is pumping stimuluses in, just like the U.S. did. I can tell you right now, please be careful, bull, because once again, we're going to get one of these good-sized corrections that will be another buying opportunity. It's not that people are bearish. They want to get involved in the market, but they would love to get involved at a cheaper rate. StockMarketFunding.com has it. Everything is live here. We want to see you come back to the bull market, as you should. It's in your favor. It's been 14 years since we had that big collapse in the dot bomb in 2000. We had the big correction in 2008. That has passed us and gone higher. It is the time to get involved. Click the free trial. Get set up. We invite you. Open an account. When you get to the open an account page, listen to the video. Open the account. Yes, we will provide you capital to participate. And we have direct access with special routes to the floor. You deserve to be in this bull market and not be the minority who are sitting on the minority of the people are at the highs. The bulk of the people need to get back in the market. It's in your favor. It really is. We have everything that we'll put behind you. Don't worry about the pattern day trading rule. You'll be above that. You can read the content. We have the order execution. We have all of the live analysis. And guess what? We are covering today the S&P at all-time record highs in this bull. And the thing about it is, we will give you bull buying power. Intraday money to make your trading business go to the top. However, the bull has to be very cautious on the daily and on a monthly chart that I showed. And that monthly chart is right here. It broke through that ascending triangle here. And it's up here for this month of June is that bar, starting off at record highs. Get involved in the marketplace. You deserve to be in the market. You deserve to come here, and we will give you most of the trading capital to trade in our monthly program. So you would be trading the firm's capital. You have a way to make your trading business go to all-time highs.